What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. In this video, I'm going to go over 10 Hot Wheels premium cars that you should own. And just so you know, I will link all the cars that we go over in this video down below. And we'll start it off with the Pandem Subaru BRZ. And this one was from the Hot Wheels Street Tuners set. And it came in this really nice looking blue color. And just check out the wide body on this. The Pandem wide body looks so good on this Subaru BRZ. I also love the stance of these wheels. They kind of stick out at the perfect amount. We've got that big wing on the back. Nice little diffuser right there. Just an excellent all-around detailed car. It's a great car to own if you're looking for a fantastic premium car. Car number 2 is the 1988 Jeep Wagoneer from the Desert Rally set. And I just love this car because of the raised suspension and giant off-road mudder tires. Also, the detail on this car is excellent. As you can see, got really good paint on there, really nice color on there from the front end. It's got that really good aggressive grille. The 101 on the top. Love this white roof with these like slots in them. It just looks so realistic. From the back end, you can see the great detail on this. Just looks amazing. It's a great car to display. And our next car is this crazy looking hypercar. It's the W Motors Lykan Hypersport. And this was from the Fast and Furious Fast Stars set. So just a great car to have in Hot Wheels format. Look at all the different angles that this car just offers right here. You can see it from the front, very aggressive, almost looks like some sort of reptile. You can see how it just continues down the back. The detail on the rear end is just excellent. And also these wheel tire combination looks great for this, especially in this color. And next up, we have the Lamborghini Gallardo LP570-4 Superleggera. This was from the Fast and Furious Fast Import set, and I just love the color on this. It's like a yellowish with a very cool metallic paint job to it. It has the Superleggera just right on the side, and then these tire wheel combination, it looks like slicks on here. They just shine right in the light. They just look fantastic on this car. The front end, you can see how they've done that front diffuser right there. It just looks really cool, and from the back end, you can see the nice spoiler on this one. It's an excellent one to collect for you Lamborghini lovers. Bugatti Chiron, blue and black premium one. This is from the Hot Wheels Exotic Envy set, and I've just love the detail in here. Just look at those front lights. You can see the lights just looking through. They look like eyes in there. Big horseshoe grille on this one. This one also has those crazy looking big slicks on there. The wheel tire combination looks good. It's staggered, so we got the bigger ones on the rear, the smaller ones on the front, and you can just see the detail, even the silver around the side. You can see on the back end with the Chiron on the license plate, the light bar that goes across. It's an excellent one if you like exotics. This is the #1 exotic to get right now. Mitsubishi Lancer Eclipse, Paul Walker's star car in the very first Fast and Furious movie, and this one is from the Fast and Furious Fast Stars set. It's one of the most iconic Fast and Furious cars, and it is a fairly new release, but I just love the look of this one. Just look at all the graphics on the side. These gray wheels look excellent on there. We've got the imitation of the carbon fiber front hood with that little bump on the hood right there for the turbo that sticks out, the scoop on the roof, as well as that big spoiler on there. Just an amazing looking Mitsubishi Eclipse. Koenigsegg Agera R, and this one was a Gumball 3000 edition from the Hot Wheels Retro Entertainment series. You can see the detail of those front headlights, the Gumball logo just right on the top right there, Gumball 3000 across the windshield as well. From the side, the number 37, the Hot Wheels logo, Gumball 3000 written on there as well. Love the wheels on this. They look so cool. The big 5-star wheels staggered. We've got the rear spoiler that sticks out. Great detail for those lights. Just an all-around excellent looking casting. I'm so glad Hot Wheels brought this one back, and this is one to get. Acura NSX from the Hot Wheels Race Day series. Just look at the wide body, the stance on this one. You can see just the big lip on the front. It continues all the way around the side, and just look at how thick the tires on here just look. Just a great looking car. I absolutely love the old NSXs. You can see the Advan stickering on there as well, the number 96. We've got the big spoiler on the back. We got a big scoop right on the top right there as well. This car just looks so cool. It's definitely one of the best ones you can add to your collection. Porsche 934.5 from the Hot Wheels Thrill Climbers set. And this one has really cool looking all white. The white wheels on there, slicks on there, and just look at the front end of this one. It just looks like it's going fast. Number 77 on there, huge whale tail spoiler on there, and look at the wide body look on this car. Even if you're not a Porsche fan, this is definitely a good one to collect and add to your collection. It displays really nicely. Hot Wheels Mclaren F1 GTR. The Mclaren F1, you guys know, is my favorite car in real life, and this is one of the best releases from Hot Wheels that they've done. It's from the Hot Wheels Car Culture Circuit Legends set. You can see the Golf livery on there. We've got the nice orange Golf colored wheels on there. Love those. We've got the Golf logo on the front. Great details for the headlights right there. The number 21 continues onto the back. The nice spoiler. The little F1 GTR logo on there. Just a great looking car. They've done an excellent job at designing this one. This has got to be one of the best ones to add to your collection. In the comment section down below, let me know which of these Hot Wheels cars you already own and which ones you're looking to add to your collection. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and follow, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.